I tried calling Jehovah, be like man no get service. Devil day on my shoulder.
Hello guys, welcome back to Better for Your College channel. Now today I'm going to create a very nice virus, and this virus is very dangerous. Um, the other day we created this virus. That's the danger. Let me see. Ah, the other day this was the virus that we created, and then that's the virus. Please, if you are unable to get this you need to go get it now because it is very good. Okay, without wasting much time, I'm going to target today our first virus, like our third virus that we created. That was suddenly, in fact, it's very dangerous. It wipes all your drives, living drive C, because the drive C was not included in the course. So it's very vigilant. So without wasting much time, that notepad and then okay. So there's it, and then I think the files are here. So these are all the codes, and leaving these codes inside these files inside the description area so that you can get to download and study the code very well, and then you are good to go. So you copy all these codes, drop that C, and then paste it here. So you save it as for the save as type of files, and then I'm going to name my wiper or drive wiper drive underscore wiper dot path. Every day I should tell you that its extension should be dot b8, that's path, and the save as type of files. I'm saving it on my desktop so you can save. Yeah, you see it here, right here, desktop as drive underscore wiper dot php. Now, every day I should tell you guys, because this is very dangerous, I'll urge you not to open it on your PC. You might open it on your other machines, but not your current PC, but your AC. Or you might send it to your friend that that you hate most, and then it will destroy it on your PC. But please, I'm begging, this for education purpose only. You should be very careful with these viruses because they really work. So we are going to use this converter to convert this file into a .exe file, so that to prevent others to know that this is that file. In fact, there are other people, I used see other people who just come in this way, edit and see all the files and say, wow, so this is what is going to happen to my drives, that drive C, drive E, drive D. In fact, all these drives, let me see. So for mine, if I would have opened it on my machine, on my computer, see my drive E will vanish, my drive D will vanish, my drive F. In fact, all the drive, leaving drive C, nothing will happen to drive C. Yeah, because it doesn't include in the code. So and use this. So we open our converter, and then the first one, I'll be leaving this also, the converter files also in the description so that it will be easy for you to get it. And then we open the converter, and the first one, open it. Be patient. Okay, my PC is still taking long before it loads because having some problems with my drivers, and but I need to be patient so that no problem with that. In fact, we were doing a lot. In fact, we were creating a lot of different kinds of viruses that if, in fact, Notepad is a text editor that is really dangerous, but most people don't know that it's dangerous because uh, it helps you to do all these stuffs. Wow, but it's very dangerous. Not it, people just see it as a test editor, but it does a lot, really a lot. So you need to be very very careful with that. I'm very very careful with this third pattern. But uh, what's happening? This thing is taking long. Okay. So, okay. Yeah, yeah. So we're in. So this is how when you open it, it looks like this. So the batch file, that's a batch file. This is the batch file. That's the driver underscore wiper dot batch. I'm gonna say that one. Um. So okay, you rush the desktop, then take drive wiper dot bat file and take it this one and open it. Okay, you can leave it as then save as type. You can leave it just like that. The drive underscore wiper. So you have include can include a lot so that you have sorry compile all of them together and you can also include them. And you can also add an icon. I'll urge you guys to be using this icon because when you send it to someone, for instance, when you email this file to your friend or that, there's no icon to show that this is that or that. You'll be you see you'll be doubting what kind of file is this. Hope you understand. So you need to get an icon. So every day I'm not having an icon, but every day I'll be using the XAMPP icon that can be found in the drive C in folder as XAMPP and other folder as HT docs, and then I'll rush down and I'll get this other icon, then I'll open it, and then you can edit the files. These are all the codes. You can edit it here, add new, add different drivers. Yep. And then these are the languages for the program. So with that, if you finish editing, you can just save it here and play with it and then wipe off. So compile it. See if you compile it to be in the .exe file. That's will redirect someone's mind like this is not a batch file, so this is an .exe file, so it will be something different from so taking off virus this way. So that's it. You finish compiling it, can exit it and then close it. So that's the virus. But you need to be very very careful with this virus. It's very dangerous. So the next video will be targeting on other viruses on how to, but you are going to do a lot, so you need to stay connected. Please, if you're a new person to watch this video, you need to subscribe so that you get all notifications. Click on the bell icon to see this. If you are having any problems with your course, you can contact me or leave me a comment in the comment section. I'm leaving this file and then the course in the description for you to get it and download. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.